Today, we solve the probability problem or the problem from the AMC math contest. Number 1. This problem is the 2001 AMC 8 problem 18. 2 dice are thrown. What is the probability that the product of the two numbers is a multiple of 5? So the 2 dice throw, we want the probability is the multiple of the 5. We know probability is the expected events over all events. Expected here is the multiple of the 5. We have the 2 dice, number 1 and the number 2. If the dice 1 show the 1 up, and the dice 2 must be 5, it's the multiple of the 5. 1 times 5. If that's the 2, must be 5. 3, only 5. 4, that's the 5. When the first dice shows up, so from the number 2 is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All 6 number up. Still the product is multiple of the 5. If the dice 1 show up 6, only the 5 is the multiple of the 5. So expected events, that's the total 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 6 and plus 1, that's the 11. That's the expected multiple of the 5 product. And then the total event, one dice, standard dice, has the 6 face. So dice 1 has the 6 possible number up. And the number 2 is the 6, total 36. So the answer is the 11 over 36. The answer is the D. Number 2. This is 2002 AMC 8 problem 12. A board game spinner is divided into 3 regions, labeled A, B, and C. The probability of the arrow stopping at region A is the 1/3, and on region B, that's the 1/2. The probability of the arrow stopping on region C is, we know the sum of the 3 probability is the 1. That's the 1. Minus, so the A probability is the 1 over 3. On the region B is the 1 over 2. And the difference, that will be the probability of the region C. So it's the 1 minus, so the LCM is the 6. 2 over 6 minus 3 over 6. Total is the 1 over 6. So the answer is the B. Problem 3. This is the 2003 AMC 8 problem 12. When a fire 6-sided die is tossed on a tabletop, the bottom face cannot be seen. What is the probability that the product of the 5 faces that can be seen is divisible by 6? Divisible by 6, that means the rule divisible by 6 is divisible by 2 and 3. So if we have the case 1, that if the face 6 on the bottom, then the top 5 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. 6 on the bottom. So the product, definitely because they have the 2 factor, 2 and 3, this is divisible by 6. Another one is the any number, case 2, any number other than 6, that's on the bottom. So if 1 on the bottom, the 6 will be on the top or the side. If the 2 on the bottom, same thing, except the 6 on the bottom. So the 6 will be on the top or side. So they all divisible by 6. So we just have the 2 cases. Case 1, 6 on the bottom. Case 2, 6 not on the bottom. So what's the probability? That will be whatever all the 2 cases are divisible by 6. So the answer is the 1. Number 4. This is 2004 AMC 8 problem 21. Spinners A and B are spun. On each spinner, the arrow is equally likely to land on each number. What is the probability that the product of the 2 spinner number is the even? The problem asks the 2 spinner A and B product is the even. So if the arrow point to the 1, only the B is the 2, that's the product is the even. If the first A, the arrow point to the 2, number 2, so the B spinner, so any number, that's the product with the 2 will be even. If the A is the arrow point to 3, only the even number at the B, that's the 2, product can be the even. If the arrow point to the 4, all the number in the B, 1, 2, 3, both the product, all the product of the 3 numbers, all the even. So our expected is the 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 3, that's the 8. And the total event first has the 4 possible outcome, and the second one, B, has the 3 outcome. So the answer is the 2 over 3. We cancel 4. That's the 2 over 3. So the answer is the D. Number 5. This is the 2004 AMC 8 problem 22. At a party, there are only single women and married men with their wives. The probability that a randomly selected woman is single is the 2 over 5. What fraction of the people in the room are married men? So we randomly selected a woman. The single is the 2 over 5. And if the randomly selected man is married, that will be the 3 over 5. So the single and the married, that's the 2 to 3. And also only the married men with their wives. So 3 married woman must be have the 3 the men. So that's the total ratio, 2 to 3 to 3. So that's the man and the married woman. And also the single. So the question asks the fraction of the people in the room are married men. Married men is the 3 part. The total, all the number is the 3 plus 3 plus 2. That's the 8. So answer is the 3 over 8. That's the married man. 3 of 8. That's the married woman. 2 over 8, that's the single. So answer is the B. Number 6. This is 2011 AMC 8 problem 4. Here is a list of numbers of fish and Tyler caught. That Tyler caught in 9 outing. Last numbers 2013033312. Which statement about the mean, mode, and median of these numbers are true? When we talk about median, we must order the number. So after we ordered, that will be 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. So total is the 9 number. So the median, first we find the median. 9 number, median is the middle number. That will be 5. That's this number. That's the median is the 2. And the mode, that's easily to tell. Mode is the most appeared number. That's the 3. And also the mean. Mean, that means the average. We know the average or mean equals the sum of the number divided by the number of the number. Sum is the 1 plus 1. Plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 times 3 over 9 number. That is the 9 plus the 10, 15 over 9. That's the divisible by cancel 3. 5 over 3. So now they ask which is the statement, which statement is true. So smallest is the mean. So the mean here, only the B and the C. The median is the second. Median is the second. This one is wrong. And then the last, the biggest is the mode. So the answer is the C.